Morning guys, July 8th, 2026. Call from an old lady, no AC. So, probably an old crusty R22 system. We'll find out when I get there. Goodman, no disconnect. This is R22 for sure. We'll probably have to put some gas in it and put the gauges on it. He says the filters have been changed inside. There's a leaker. There's gas in it. That's good. R22. R22. Oh, you're gonna need a douche. Oh, douche will do you, mama. Douche will do you. Good gas in it, 114. So we'll start it up and see what we could do with it. Give it a little bit of gas. I'm thinking it's gonna pull down to about 30. That's what I'm thinking. Why don't you turn it on? We'll turn it on, see if we give it a little doucheroo. How low will she go? Did I see that? The suction 40, we're definitely low. Subcooling at 1.5, we're definitely low. So we're gonna put some gas, bring this, we're on R22, we're gonna bring the suction up, bring that superheat down. Bring this subcooling up. We're gonna need to give it a little doucheroo here. We're gonna give it a little gas. See at 43 there? It's too low. We're gonna give it some gas. Give it a little charge. A little, how you doing, mama? She's low on gas. R22. Give it a little how you doing. Watch this subcooling. We'll bring this subcooling. Bring up this subcooling. We're only at 204. Gotta come up with that. This suction line coming back at 62. See, that should start dropping at 62. It should start dropping here. See it dropping? I got the gas off. Keep an eye on it. This should come down to about 20. Subcooling at 9. That ain't too bad. Keep an eye on that. Let that run for a bit. I'll put a little bit more in it. Ain't too bad there. Put a little more in it. Yeah.
Yeah. Something can be fixed or?
No. It's older than you, this sucker. I leak too.
I'm younger than I thought, though, if it's older than me.
That's not the one, that's not the original leak.
No.
It's like a 90-year-old woman in a nursing home. You know, you just gotta kind of keep her comfortable. Yeah. Yeah, we'll stay right there. We'll leave it right there. It's good. Some caps, good caps on there, and that's gonna be it. Some good caps on there, but a little weaker. Will do. If he wants me to fix it, he ain't fixing shit. It's an old R22 unit. Who knows how old? One foot in the grave.